Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absentee. 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 Absentee is a noun that refers to a person who is absent or not present from a place, especially from work, school, or an event where their presence is expected or required. It is often used to describe someone who habitually or frequently fails to attend or participate. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The teacher noticed several absentees in the classroom today. Why absentee use in example number 1? In this example, absentees refers to students who were absent from the classroom, highlighting their absence from school. Example number 2. The absentee of the guest of honor was disappointing to the event organizers. Why absentee use in example number 2? Absentee is used to describe the guest of honor's absence from the event, highlighting the disappointment it caused to the organizers. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.